Hello everyone, welcome back to Foxtecc. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get files from your PC to your iPhone using AirDrop. Depending on your hardware, this process can vary slightly, but I'll walk you through everything you need to know. Let's dive right in. First, let's clarify what we mean by PC. Typically, people refer to a Windows machine when they say PC, but it can also mean any computer in general. If you have a MacBook or any other Mac, the AirDrop process is extremely simple and straightforward. For Mac users, here's what you need to do. Start by locating the file you want to transfer. Right-click on the file, select Share, and then choose AirDrop. You'll see a list of nearby devices. Select the recipient, which could be your iPhone or someone else's iPhone, and the file will be sent there. Now, some of you might have the right-click option disabled. If that's the case, you won't be able to access the share menu this way. To enable right-click, go to your Mac's settings, find the section for your trackpad or mouse, and enable the right-click capability. This ensures you'll always be able to use the right-click menu to share files via AirDrop. And that's basically it when it comes to moving or AirDropping files from a MacBook to an iPhone. It's a seamless process that takes advantage of Apple's ecosystem. But what if you're using a Windows PC instead? In this case, you won't have access to AirDrop, but there's a great alternative called SnapDrop. If you haven't heard of it yet, SnapDrop is a file transfer service similar to AirDrop. It allows easy file transfers across all devices on a local network, not just Apple devices. Here's how SnapDrop works. Make sure you have your iPhone and computer ready. Open a web browser on both devices and go to snapdrop.net. This method works whether you're using a Mac or a PC. If you're on a Mac, it's usually better to use the built-in AirDrop feature, but SnapDrop is a fantastic alternative, especially if AirDrop isn't an option. When both devices are on the SnapDrop website, they should recognize each other, and on your iPhone screen, you'll see an icon representing your computer. Tap on this icon, then select the photo or file you want to share. After the transfer is complete, you can save the file on your iPhone. SnapDrop works on both Apple and non-Apple devices, making it a perfect solution when AirDrop isn't available. It uses WebRTC for secure, encrypted transfers over your local network and includes features like system notifications and dark mode. The service is generally reliable and the transfer speed is decent, making it a great tool for moving files between devices. And that's how you get files from your PC to your iPhone using AirDrop and SnapDrop. Whether you're using a Mac or a Windows PC, these methods will help